square bottle unscrambler machine. It can accommodate a large number of cans for use by the next machine. Automatic round bottle labeling machine. Automatic bottle division. The use of bottle division mechanism. Effectively eliminate the bottle itself. Error caused by the bottle is not smooth. Improve the stability. Bottles negative ion air washing machine. Negative ion cleaning. It can remove and collect the dust from bottle insides. Touchscreen panel for easy operation and parameter monitoring. Multiple languages can be customized. This negative ion bottle washer uses negatively charged ions to attract and remove dust, impurities, and tiny particles from bottles. Ideal for food, beverage, and cosmetic industries. Granule multi-head combination weigher filling machine, equipped with domestic well-known ultra-miniature combination. Double head rotary type filling machine. The filling speed is fast and the precision is high. It adopts deceleration lifting motor, automatic feeding control system when material is missing. And the bucket type lifting mechanism is completely closed. Non-polluting, no leakage, feeding, weighing, filling, and full automation control. Multi-language touchscreen human-computer interaction system, visual operation. Can also record the total number of cans, pass rate, and single can error of each batch. This machine is suitable for weighing and filling those materials, such as beans, rice, dried fruit, etc., which has wide range of applications. Automatic 10-head tracking type liquid filling machine. Servo-controlled lifting system, tracking type filling nozzle, fast and precise metering. Adopts food-grade material, quick-release cylinder structure for easy cleaning. A 10-head rotary tracking filler is a high-efficiency automated machine equipped with 10 filling heads. It synchronizes its movement with the traveling containers during the filling process, enabling fast, precise, and splash-free filling operations, making it ideal for high-volume production lines. Double head servo concealing machine. The machine is controlled by servo, making the equipment safer. Two sealing heads working simultaneously make the can sealing process more efficient and faster. Each sealing head consists of 4 sealing rollers in 2 groups, complete sealing simultaneously, ensuring high sealing integrity. With strong versatility, the machine can adapt to cans of different sizes, shapes, and materials, meeting varied production demands. This machine is applicable to tin cans, aluminum cans, plastic cans, and composite paper can, etc. It is an ideal packaging equipment for liquid product, food, juice, soda, canned fish, and other industries.